Well, those trees are just like, I don't know, they not only like human beings. I mean, look at the difference in shape between the black maple and the pig nut tree here and these apple trees. I mean, it's a wondrous thing, how they grow. It's a very delicate purpley note in the darks, almost at the same value, degree of dark. Do you see? Is what's going on over here with the area of the pine, which has been affected by the some of the apple shoots and suckers and things that are in front of it. And what's the big nut branches? Do you see affect the color of the whole thing in there, so that you get this wonderful play between the warmer note over here and the slightly more purpley note. They're so delicate. You hate to use words because all of the color is unnameable. The color of life is unnameable. We like to simplify it all down so that we can talk in code all day, red, yellow, and blue. Grass is green. If you ever looked at grass, you'd shut your mouth. If you shut your mouth and used your eyes, you might have a chance of seeing something. But your mouth is open and your eyes are closed, and then you run for politics. Oh, Lord, Lord. Yeah. Oh, God. Had to get that one in.